So, you want to know how to install 3ds Max onto your laptop in 2025? It's really easy. What you have to do is go to Google Chrome and then search for 3D Max software download PC. Go hit enter. Then it will give you 3ds Max free trial. You can click on it. And from here you can download the free trial. But if you want to download it all together, you're gonna go to Softonic, click on the link. I'm gonna wait for it to load. Then you're just gonna click on download for Windows and it should be all set. When it's downloaded, you click on it and just install it, and that will be that.